Okay, Mr. Middleman gonna make his way down the track now in the mechanic gorgeous machine with that foot throttle that I just love. Oh, and it comes to a stop. So that would have been just a little piece of header pipe. It's still quieter than my Ford Ranger. Not much cam in that machine. I don't think doesn't need it, doesn't require it. So Peter Van Hall going to make his way down the track with the small block Chevy under the hood of the Cub Cadet, a machine he calls the Chevy Cub. Driving down the track, taking the weight of that flat and just transferring it to forward momentum, not running out of traction anytime soon, still coming up on it, comes up on some traction issues, and Peter comes. All right, let's see what you can do. See if you can beat me or not. So Gary Green going to do things a little bit different. The first place driver right now with a 2-cylinder snowmobile motor. In second place, a V8 Chevrolet. Lots of smoke coming up down there. The dust is flying, and Gary Green, I think, is going downtown. He's going to spritz the entire audience with dust. And I don't know if we're going to get him stopped or what, but Gary Green, once again, gets the job done. He runs away from the dust. It stops right with stone and behind the stone.